Hello, everyone. Welcome to Soulful Sundays with Sunena. I'm Sunena Reiki, and I'm definitely looking very, very soulful today. Today's learning is how to do deep breathing. Very important to release stress and anxiety. Very important when you're moving into panic attacks. Anything that you're feeling at a moment that you need to come back into balance, deep breathing is so important. Another reason I do deep breathing is to create an attitude for my day. So when I wake up, I will do a few rounds, a few minutes of deep breathing. So suddenly, my whole day is moving according to an attitude that I've created, and I do deep breathing every 2 to 3 hours. I will go into some deep, deep breaths. Very, very beautiful. It also helps that aura to change, that glow to come, that energy to come. So shall we start? Okay, first step for deep breathing is either sit up or stand. It'll be easier. It's harder to do deep breathing when you're lying down, right? So either sit or stand. Second is posture. Keep your posture upright, shoulders back, heart lifted like a lion. Right? Lift the heart and feel the lungs and the rib cage lift. The moment you slouch down, your lungs and rib cage will not expand. You're creating a shortness. So the posture in deep breathing is highly important. The third step is that you need to breathe your inhale from here, where your rib cage is. This is where the oxygen comes in. We are not trying to do a shallow breath from here, which is... This is not where it's coming from. We need to fill up right here where the rib cage is. So when you inhale, your rib cage needs to expand outward, right? So when you inhale, think that you're lengthening up and you're moving out, keeping your navel in. You're not moving the navel. You're only moving your rib cage right now, okay? So you inhale and slowly let the belly draw back in. Again, inhale, expand the rib cage. Draw the rib cage back in. The fourth step is when you inhale, now I want you to expand your belly. Deep breath is actually called abdominal breathing. So we will expand the belly. So you can place our hands on our belly and you inhale through your lung, rib cage, outward, upward, and expand the belly. And gently draw back in. Now start to feel how your hand is moving out. Inhale, expand the belly like a balloon. Your hand should be moving out. And exhale, draw it all back in. Inhale, lungs, rib cage opens horizontally, vertically, belly buttons moving out. And exhale, draw the belly in. And those are the steps for you to do deep abdominal breathing, which will really help to calm your nervous system down, to create a beautiful, beautiful day where you can actually stop and breathe. It is the most important activity in our lives. It keeps us alive. So it's very important to it's okay. Through the day, you're not aware of the breath, but try to create cycles. So create 4 to 5 times a day that I'm going to do 2 minutes of deep breathing. Maybe start off with 30 seconds and then take your way forward, because deep breath can also make you feel a little lightheaded. Okay, so enjoy, have fun, lots of love, and see you next Sunday.